In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a download resource Mailerlite. To begin, open your browser and log in to your Mailerlite account. Use your own account details and make sure you are signing in through the official Mailerlite website. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to let the page fully load. Mailerlite has several different areas for email campaigns, automation, forms, and websites, so it helps to start from the main dashboard where you can clearly see the navigation menu. Now you are ready to choose where your downloadable resource will be offered. If you want to create a dedicated page where people can sign up and then access the resource, go to the Sites section and click Create Site. This will let you build a landing page that focuses on your download, such as a guide, checklist, workbook, template, or PDF. A landing page is useful when you want to send people to one simple page with one clear action. If you would rather offer the download through a form on an existing page, go to the Forms section instead. From there, you can create either a pop-up form or an embedded form. A pop-up form appears on a page based on the display settings you choose, while an embedded form is placed directly into a page layout. Either option can work well depending on where you want people to see the offer. Once you have selected the option that fits your setup, open the editor. This is where you will build the page or form and decide where the download should appear. Look for the area in the editor where you can add content blocks. These blocks allow you to place different elements on the page, such as text, images, buttons, or file sections. In the editor, add a file block or a button block where you want to offer the download. If you use a file block, the download can be presented directly as a file resource. If you use a button block, you can create a clear call to action, such as a download button. Place the block in a spot that makes sense for the visitor. For example, it may work well below a short description of the resource, so people understand what they are getting before they click. After the block is in place, the next part is uploading the resource itself. Open the Mailerlite file manager from within the editor when prompted to choose or upload a file. Upload your resource file, such as a PDF, to the file manager. Make sure you select the correct file from your computer before uploading. It is also a good idea to use a file name that is clear and easy to recognize, so you can identify it later if you manage several resources inside your account. Once the file has finished uploading, select it in the file manager. This connects the resource to the page or form you are editing. If you are using a button block, link the button to the uploaded resource. If you are using a file block, make sure the block is connected to the uploaded file. This link is what allows visitors to access the resource when they click. Before finishing, quickly review the page or form in the editor. Make sure the download block or button is in the right location, and check that the text around it is clear. The goal is to make the resource easy to find and simple to access. When everything looks correct, click Save. This keeps your changes and stores the download setup inside Mailerlite. Your resource is now connected to your landing page, pop-up form, or embedded form. That covers everything you need to know.